What's the meaning of Air Force? Air Force. Air Force. Air Force. Air Force. Air Force.
Air Force refers to a military branch that primarily conducts aerial warfare. Comprised of highly trained pilots and ground personnel, an Air Force typically operates combat aircraft, helicopters, and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, to achieve objectives such as air superiority, close air support, and strategic bombing. They may engage in various types of operations, including reconnaissance, rescue missions, and air-to-air combat. The Air Force also plays a critical role in national defense and is often utilized for disaster relief, humanitarian aid, and other non-combat operations.